You already know.
Birthday behavior.
Straight up birthday behavior, daggone it. What? Leo season.
Leo season.
It's your girl, Izzy OG. I got my baby.
Melody.
It's her birthday. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
She has no idea where we're going or what the frick we're doing today.
No. Not a clue.
Oh, this is going to be awesome. So, first stop of the day, we got to get some breakfast in us.
All right.
Time for wake and bake.
All right.
We're awake. Let's see who got the bake.
Ooh.
Twice bake. Dude, I clearly don't do this often enough. That joint wasn't even locked. Yo, it's your girl Izzy OG. I got my baby.
Melody.
And we are
Twice
on birthday behavior. Listen, it's her birthday, y'all. Go stalk her life. Go stalk her page. She's so pretty, ain't she? That's my baby. Yo, go wish her happy birthday, y'all. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
So, we're headed out. She doesn't know where we're going. And I'm not telling. But we're headed there. We're going to get something. Then we're coming back, and then we're going back. And then we're doing some things, and it's some birthday stuff. Birthday behavior! Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you, baby.
Holla at it, y'all. So, we're at the Black Kettle in Philly, getting some interesting breakfast. So let's just see how this all works out. Aren't you stunning on your birthday?
Thank you.
Hey, it's your girl Ills the OG, and I got my baby, the birthday girl. Happy birthday, baby. We are
Twice baked.
all right. So, birthday behavior.
Birthday behavior.
So we went out this morning for wake and bake.
Yeah.
So, what did you get? Where did we go? And what's in the bag, man? You know what we want to know. What's in the bag?
What's in the bag? Oh, okay. This looks like cream cheese.
Oh, wait, pause. What's underneath that? What was the first thing that came out?
I'm not sure.
You don't know what it is? Let's check it out. I believe this is a vegan lox. So we're gonna see what's going on. I like lox and bagels. So I'm gonna try something different. And we went to the Kettle Black. And we got some cream cheese, some vegan lox, and
it looks like bagels.
Oh,
Bagels.
oh, wow.
Beautiful. We got some sesame.
Wow.
And everything.
Nice. Okay. So we got some cool black bagels. Have you had black bagels before, Queen?
I've never had black bagels before.
Okay. So this will be a first?
Yeah.
All right. Half a dozen black bagels with some vegan lox and cream cheese.
Yep.
There's another bag. What else you got in the bag, man?
Oh. Looks like, oh. Nice. We got some t-shirts.
Nice. Okay. Wake and bake. Twice baked. Hey, it's your girl Ilzy OG. It's my baby.
Melody.
Birthday behavior. All right, so we're checking out the Kettle Black. We got some beautiful black bagels. We got some cream cheese. We got some vegan lox. We got the birthday girl. I think we're ready to see what's going on. All right, let's check it out, baby.
All right.
Oh, almost forgot. We also got some concentrated
Cold brew.
cold brew. All right, so we're gonna see what's going on. Got the Stoner Mom glass. Definitely got the twice baked popping. We're gonna check out these kettle black bagels, some vegan lox, cream cheese, and the birthday girl. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? You got it. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, let's do it. Twice baked.
Nice. It looks so soft and fluffy. Pillowy.
Yeah, it's really soft and real soft and pillowy inside. It's got a great red texture. All right, where to first? What you gonna do?
Gotta get the cream cheese first. Of course. Cream cheese first.
You want your bagel toasted or?
Actually, that's a good question. I think I'm trying to figure. It's so soft. It's like I don't want to toast it.
I'm not going to. Not this first one.
I think
I'm gonna
the first
try
one. I'm with you. I think I'll go with that.
the way.
Put it together.
And then the next one I'll try it toasted.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Good deal. All right. Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Would you mind? Thank you. That's a thick cream cheese.
Yeah, they packed it in actually.
Yeah.
That's got my money's worth. Yeah, that was it. I wasn't sure what to expect. Yeah, and I wanted to start with plain. I think they also have flavored cream cheeses.
Oh yeah.
But I just kind of wanted to see, what the baseline was before we start going crazy.
The flavors.
Right. And I'm a huge fan of cream cheese, actually. To be perfectly honest with you.
You are?
I am. No, I am. I like it a lot. And I'm not lactose intolerant, so I don't have anything
that works.
necessarily stopping me. Oh, there you go, baby. I know, right? That smells
It smells like
fishy.
seafood.
Right. Smells fishy. It smells as though. So, and honestly, when I smelled it, my first thought was they used fish sauce. Right?
Got you.
That was literally my very first thought. Like, oh, that smells like fish sauce. Which I enjoy using because it definitely will, right off top, give you that seafood, fish type taste, feel, smell.
That's awesome.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm gonna try the first half like that first, see how it goes.
All right. Let's see what you got. Yeah.
It is giving me the lox a fishy vibe and texture. The texture is good, matching.
Yeah, I still think
It definitely has a fish smell. I believe it tastes like fish. I looked, I'm like, it appears to be a vegetable, but
it's a carrot. Yeah, no, it's a carrot. It's absolutely a carrot. But it tastes like fish. They nailed the flavor profile.
good job. They nailed the flavor profile. Now that's a proper lox and bagel.
So what happens when you get Alaska? That's tasty.
White savory.
Definitely a proper bagel, lox, and cream cheese. The vegan lox reads like lox. I mean, short of the flake and the fish texture. Flavor, the density, the give in your mouth, you know, the crunch in it, you know what I mean? And it's not even a crunch, but just the way your teeth sink into it, it reminds you of smoked fish.
It really does. The texture is definitely giving the smoked salmon vibe. Oh, okay.
All right. Welcome to Philly, y'all. It was regular.
Just another day.
Everyone should be celebrating, baby. It's your birthday. Thank you, Queen. All right, so we're gonna finish with the birthday celebration. More shenanigans, more tomfoolery. Leo season well underway. It's your girl Ilzy OG. I got my beautiful baby,
Melody,
and we are twice baked. Birthday baby. Come on, birthday girl. See if the place is good. Yeah, let's go. Let's see if we can get some chicken. Right, so birthday behavior. I got the birthday girl grabbing some grub. Take 2. Yeah, her rave reviews. You're gonna see what's going on. Birthday behavior. It's your girl, Ilzy OG. I got my beautiful baby. Hey, and this is Twice Baked. Say happy birthday, Daddy. That was a video. Hold on. Okay, now I gotta take a picture. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cut the cake. Yes, ma'am. Oh! Give me do it, baby. You got it. Oh, just me. Hold that. Okay, so there is a method. There's a cake cutting method. And it goes a little something like this. Alright, so we're gonna go all the way across one good time. Bow. Then we're gonna conspicuously look at that, it's a rainbow. Somebody mention rainbows? Nice. It's a rainbow inside!
The cake is nice and moist.
Alright, so we got the... You gonna feed him? Alright, so listen. Nella's gonna give y'all some cake. Hey, give it to him, Nella. Give it to him. Oh, happy birthday, baby. You're quite welcome. Alright, so the consensus on Carlos Bakery, aka Buddy, aka the Cake Boss Food Network. What you thinking, new client? How'd he do?
Good, really good.
2 thumbs up, 1 thumbs up, half a thumb up, 2 thumbs. Alright, y'all. It's your girl Ilzy OG. I got my baby. Rest of the family. And it's a birthday. This is birthday behavior.
Thank you for the birthday wishes.
Hey, appreciate y'all, fam. We out on birthday behavior.